Can you get all 20 correct? Let's test how well you know reproduction in plants and animals. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following is a method of asexual reproduction in plants? A. Pollination, B. Seed formation, C. Vegetative propagation, D. Fertilization. So the correct answer is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction. It does not involve seed or gamete fusion. Question 2. What is the function of stigma in a flower? A. Produces pollen, B. Receives pollen, C. Becomes the fruit, D. Support the anther. So the correct answer is receives pollen. The stigma is the part of the carpel or pistil that receives pollen during pollination. Question 3. In humans, fertilization normally takes place in the A. Ovary, B. Uterus, C. Oviduct, D. Cervix. So the correct answer is C. Oviduct. Oviduct, which is also known as fallopian tube, is the site of waste removal and nutrient exchange. Question 4. What is the period of development of a fetus in the womb called? A. Incubation, B. Menstruation, C. Gestation, D. Ovulation. So the correct answer is gestation. Question 5. Which of the following is a reproductive organ in female? A. Prostate gland, B. Testis, C. Ovary, D. Vas deferens. So the correct answer is ovary. Question 6. Which structure connects the embryo to the placenta? A. Fallopian tube, B. Amniotic sac, C. Umbilical cord, D. urethra. So the correct answer is umbilical cord. Question 7. A major feature of sexual reproduction is A. Rapid reproduction, B. Genetic variation, C. Absence of gamete, D. One parent only. So the correct answer is genetic variation. Question 8. In external fertilization, the gamete fills A. in the uterus, B. outside the body, C. in the ovary, D. in the testes. So the correct answer is option B, outside the body. Question 9. Which of these is an agent of pollination? A. Earthworm, B. Butterfly, C. Lizard, D. Grasshopper. So the correct answer is option B, butterfly. Question 10. The female reproductive organ in a flower is called A. Style, B. Pistil, C. Petal, D. stamen. So the correct answer is option B, pistil. Question 11. Which of these is not involved in reproduction in flowering plant? A. Sepal, B. Anther, C. Stigma, D. Ovary. So the correct answer is option A, sepal. Question 12. What type of reproduction involves only one parent and no gamete? A. Sexual, B. Vegetative, C. Asexual, D. Binary fission. So the correct answer is option C, asexual. Question 13. Which of these is an example of asexual reproduction? A. Pollination, B. Budding in yeast, C. Fertilization in humans, D. Copulation. So the correct answer is B. Budding in yeast. Question 14. What is the male reproductive organ in a flower? A. Carpel, B. Ovary, C. Stigma, D. stamen. So the correct answer is option D, stamen. Question 15. Which of the following is not a form of asexual reproduction? A. Fragmentation, B. Budding, C. Binary fission, D. Fertilization. So the correct answer is option D, fertilization. Question 16. In plants, the fusion of male and female gametes occur in the A. Ovary, B. Stigma, C. Anther, D. style. So the correct answer is option A, ovary. Question 17. The process of which an organism produces its young ones is called A. Digestion, B. Reproduction, C. Respiration, D. Growth. So the correct answer is option B, reproduction. Reproduction is the biological process by which organisms give rise to offspring. Question 18. What type of fertilization occurs in frogs? A. Internal, B. Asexual, C. External, D. Artificial. So the correct answer is option C, external. Frogs reproduce through external fertilization, where eggs and sperm are released into the water. Question 19. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another flower is called A. Cross-pollination, B. Self-pollination, C. Fertilization, D. Germination. So the correct answer is option A, cross-pollination. Cross-pollination involves pollen transfer between different flowers, promoting genetic variation. Question 20. What protects the developing embryo in mammals? A. Uterus, B. Placenta, C. Amniotic fluid, D. Umbilical cord. So the correct answer is option C, amniotic fluid. The amniotic fluid surrounds and cushions the embryo, protecting it from shock and injury. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comment. More quizzes coming. Don't miss out. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.